Fire basics. To better understand fire, let's start with the basics. Fire needs 3 elements: fuel, heat, and oxygen. Fuel is any combustible material, and this can be solid, liquid, or gas. Heat provides the energy to change the combustible material to vapor so it can burn. By remembering this basic information about fires, you're one step closer to preventing a fire from starting. Keep combustible materials, also known as the fuel, separate from oxygen and sources of heat. Fire extinguishers also eliminate one or more of the 3 elements needed to start a fire. Examples: put oily rags in metal containers away from heat sources. If necessary, have designated smoking areas with non-tipping metal ashtrays. Empty these frequently and never have these near an area where oxygen is used or stored. Store combustible liquids and gases away from heat sources. Become familiar with what is considered a combustible material. Common causes of fires in healthcare facilities: electrical malfunctions, friction, open flames, sparks, hot surfaces, compressed oxygen, anesthetic gas. Common sense safeguards against fires. Extension cords and flexible cords should not exceed 6 feet and cannot be a substitute for permanent wiring. Additionally, these should not be run under carpeting. Regularly inspect electrical cords for damage and report any needing repair. Have electrical appliances brought for personal use inspected by appropriate personnel. Surge protectors are the only acceptable way of multiplying an electrical outlet. All appliances must have an Underwriter's Laboratory label. When working with open flames or a heat source, keep combustible materials at a distance. Remember, paper and fabric are combustible and are often nearby and overlooked. No smoking if oxygen is in use. Use caution when storing or disposing of combustible liquids and gases. Immediately investigate any odd smell coming from a piece of equipment.